Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, this video is for each and every student who is aspiring or who has applied for Christ University. In the past few days, I have gotten tons of queries regarding the entrance exam of Christ University and so many doubts that you people have about what is the exam pattern, do we have negative marking, if we apply for multiple courses, how many exams do we have to give, what is the process for shortlisting for the interviews and all such things. Do not worry guys, in this particular video, I will answer each and every query that you have. So just make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Along with that, I have one little request for you all. Just in case if you're new to my channel, please press the subscribe button so that you guys get every update that I put out on my channel. Trust me guys, my channel will be the best resource for you in terms of free material, preparation strategies, interview preparation, micro presentations, skill assessment, each and everything. At the same time, do not forget to even follow me on Instagram because I'm readily available there as well. Now let's get started. I'll take you to my computer screen and explain you each and everything. Okay, so guys, I've opened up the official website of Christ University, and this is where you'll get all the details regarding the admissions for the year 2024. Like I said, will be discussing about the programs with entrance tests, with non-entrance tests, as well as the entrance test pattern for each and every course. So please make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Firstly, here is the list of the programs that do not have any entrance test. However, each and every program of Christ University does still have an interview, a micro presentation, and a skill assessment. So please guys, take a screenshot of this, and if your course falls under this, that means you don't have to prepare for any entrance test. You directly just have to prepare for interviews, micro presentations, and skill assessment. These courses are the dual majors, like a BA in economics and political science, BA in sociology and economics, BA in history and political science, music, western classical and creative media, music, western classical and psychology, performing arts, creative media, performing arts and psychology, psychology and economics, psychology and English. So majorly all the dual majors that you will see on this list do not have any entrance test, along with a bachelor's in architecture which is offered in the Kengeri campus. So if you are looking to do architecture from Christ, you also don't have to appear for an entrance test. Same is the case with biotechnology and botany, biotechnology and chemistry, biotechnology and forensic science, biotechnology and zoology, computer science and mathematics, another very famous course of Christ University, BSc computer science and statistics, BSc life sciences, BSc physics and chemistry, BSc physics and mathematics, BSc chemistry and zoology. For all such programs, you do not have to appear for entrance. However, your interviews, your micro presentations, and your skill assessments will play a far more important role. So please guys, do check out my link in the description below if you want to prepare for interviews, micro presentations, and skill assessment. But the good news for you all is that you don't have to appear for the entrance test, so you all can relax and take a chill pill. Now for all the other programs of Christ University UG programs, you have an entrance test, whether it's engineering programs, whether it's arts programs like an economic honors, whether it's a communications and media or media and public affairs, political science honors, psychology honors, all the BBA programs, all the BCom programs, the BCA, BSc, data science, law, each one of them have an entrance test. Guys, I will be putting down the link in the description below, just in case if you missed out, you can go check whether your course is listed on this list or not. If it is listed, you have to appear for an entrance test, the pattern of which I will just tell you in a couple of minutes from now. But along with your entrance test, you will also have to appear for an interview and micro presentation and skill assessment. Now, one major doubt that I've been getting from students is, Bhaiya, will we get shortlisted for the interview? Specifically, the ones who are giving entrance tests, they're really confused that only if they perform well on the entrance test, or what is going to be the cutoff of the entrance test in order for them to get the call for the interview. Guys, you all are wrong with your information. Everybody whosoever fills in the form for Christ University is going to appear for each and everything. You have to give your entrance test, everybody will have to give their interview, everybody will have to give their micro presentation and skill assessment, and only after that they will tell you congratulations, you have been selected, or unfortunately you have been rejected. There is no cutoff system like the one that you will find at Symbiosis or somewhere else, that only the people who do well on the entrance test will be called for an interview. No guys, that is not how it happens at Christ University. So everybody who is having entrance tests will still have to give an interview, a micro presentation, a skill assessment. That means even if you score a 0 on your entrance test, You don't do that well, you just do inky, pinky, ponky and ABCD and just mark all the questions and get absolutely all of them wrong, you still will be called for the interview. Everybody has to give the interview at Christ. That is mandatory. So I hope that is clear to each one of you who were thinking that only if they do well on the entrance test, then is when they'll get called for the interviews. I've got so many people who are saying, Bhaiya, firstly let us prepare for entrance test and then we will book your sessions for interview, micro presentation and skill assessment. Guys, do not do that mistake. Please start preparing for your interviews and your micro presentations and your skill assessments right away. If not more, they're equally important to your entrance test. In fact, if you go ask any current student of Christ University, I myself have been a student of Christ University, I can tell you how important interviews, micro presentations and skill assessments are when it comes to Christ University admissions. Sometimes people with even average performance in the entrance test get selected at Christ University just because they've done really well in their interviews, their micro presentations and their skill assessment. So I hope this one major doubt is clear to each one of you. Now moving to the entrance test patterns. Before I even discuss the entrance test pattern with you all, one major doubt that I was getting from students is, Bhaiya, if we have filled multiple forms, how many entrance tests do we have to write? Guys, this is a very important question and please listen to this very, very carefully. Guys, if you have filled in multiple forms which fall under the same department, then you just have to give one entrance test. Now, all these boxes that you see here, this is one department. Okay, so that means BA in Communications, Media and English, BA in Journalism, BA in Media and Public Affairs, BA in Political Science Honours. If you have filled 2 or 3 forms in this same department itself, you just have to give one entrance test, which is just here, which means English of 40 marks, General Knowledge of 20 marks, Current Affairs of 10 marks, Reasoning of 20 marks, and either of Journalism, Media, English Honours, Liberal Arts and Political Science of 30 marks, making it to a total of 120 marks. You just have to give one entrance test. So if suppose an example like say of a person called Pavni and she has filled form for 3 courses. One is BA in Media and Public Affairs, the other is BA in Media and Psychology, and the third is BA in Liberal Arts. She just has to give one entrance test and that score of one entrance test will be given to all the 3 courses she has filled the form for. I hope this is clear. However, what if there are people like suppose even Pavni and she has filled forms for 2 or 3 different departments. That means one form Pavni has filled from BA in Media and Public Affairs, the other she has filled a BCA Honours and the third she has done is a BBA Honours. If she has done that, then she will have to be appearing for 3 different entrance exams. One for the course in media, the other for computers and the other for BBA Honours. So I hope that is clear to each one of you and you are allowed to fill as many number of forms from as many departments as you want to. There is no criteria for that. As long as you're filling a separate form, you're most welcome to do it. There are people who filled 5, 6 forms also, some in different departments, some in the same department, and I leave that up to you. If you people are not very clear on which course will be the right choice for you, which course will provide you the best ROI, which course will meet your interest, please see me for a personal guidance and doubt clearing session. In fact, even invite your parents for the same so that we can have a one-on-one discussion on what career path or which program or which course will be the best choice for you. Please look out for strategies like these if you really want to get into Christ University. Now, I've already discussed the pattern for the arts related programs. For any program that falls under this category, which is the BA in Economics, BSc Economics, Maths and Stats, or BCA, or BSc Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, or BSc Data Science Honours, your exam will consist of English 20 marks, General Knowledge 15 marks, Current Affairs 10 marks, Reasoning 20 marks, Mathematics 15 marks, Data Analysis and Interpretation 15 marks, and economics/computer science, depending on whichever you're going for, that of 25 marks, making it to a total of 120 questions. I hope that is clear. Guys, please make sure that you take screenshots of the same so that you can refer to this whenever you are preparing for Christ University entrance test. Now coming to the BCom, Department of Commerce and Department of Professional Studies, you have BCom, BCom Honours, BCom Morning, BCom International Accountancy and Finance, BCom Applied Finance, BCom Professional, BCom Strategic Finance Honours. For all you people, you have to appear for English of 20 marks, General Knowledge 20 marks, Reasoning 20 marks, Fundamental Accounting 20 marks, Mathematics 20 marks, and Data Analysis and Interpretation 20 marks, which again makes it to a total of 120 marks. Now, for people who are interested in their BBA related programs, one of the hotly demanded courses of Christ University, whether it's a BBA Honors or a BBA in Finance and Economics or a BBA in Business Analytics, you have to appear for English 25 marks, General Knowledge 20, Fundamental Accounting 10, Reasoning 25, Mathematics and Data Analysis and Interpretation 20 marks each. Coming to law, again very important, English 30 marks, General Knowledge 30 marks, Current Affairs 15 marks, Reasoning 25 marks, Data Analysis and Interpretation 20 marks. One doubt that I'm getting from all the law aspirants is that bhaiya, we have filled in the form for both BA LLB and BBA LLB. Now do we have to appear for two different entrance tests? No guys, like I said, they both fall under the same department. So you just have to give one entrance test. But yes, your interview for BA LLB and BBA LLB will be separate by two different faculty members of Christ University. So please prepare for your interviews, micro presentations and skill assessments very nicely and properly, because you will have to appear on that twice. Now talking about BSc Psychology Honors, which is offered in their Bannerghatta Road campus, Yashwantpur campus, Kengeri campus, Delhi NCR campus, you will have English of 30 marks, General Knowledge 30 marks, Current Affairs 10 marks, Reasoning 20 marks and Psychology of 30 marks, which again is a very important section on the entrance test. For BTech and BTech lateral, you have English 15 marks, General Knowledge 15 marks, Reasoning 20 marks, Data Analysis and Interpretation 15 marks, and followed by that is when you have Mathematics 25 marks, Physics 15 marks and Chemistry 15 marks, which is nothing but your class 11th and 12th Physics, Chemistry and Math. BBA Decision Science, which is a industry integrated program where you only go to Christ University for 3 days. Rest days you work with Mu Sigma. If you're not clear on this program, please go check out my detailed video with the current students of BBA Decision Science. You'll get to know each and everything about this program. But anyways, coming back to the entrance test, that is of 25 marks, General Knowledge 20 marks, Fundamental Accounting 10 marks, Reasoning 13 marks, Mathematics 10 marks, Data Analysis and Interpretation 10 marks, Quantitative Aptitude 10 marks, Pattern Recognition 12 marks and Design Thinking for Problem Solving 10 marks. I think they've bifurcated these 120 questions into a lot of sections. So in case if you're preparing for BBA Decision Science, all the very best. Now Code of Conduct, which is very important. The entrance test will be held at centers as opted while filling the application. Guys, please do not do the mistake that you have selected the center of Amritsar and then you're going somewhere else to give in your entrance test. That will not be allowed. Applicants must report to the venue at least 30 minutes prior to the stipulated test time, which is obviously given. For those who have multiple tests on the same day, you to anyways are going to be there the whole day. But in case you're just appearing for one program, like say for BTech, please check your timings and be there 30 minutes prior. Impersonation or presence of another person other than that of the applicant will be treated as malpractice. I don't think so now this will happen. This was happening a lot in the past 2-3 years when people were giving the entrance test from their homes itself. But now I don't think so that will happen, because they will really check your ID proofs and everything. And again, that is what the next point is. Please carry your admit card issued by the university along with photo ID issued by the state or central government. Most probably, please go for a driving license or an Aadhaar card. That will be the best suited for you. Please do not carry any mobile phones, subject textbooks, study notes, materials, formula sheets, scientific calculator or any other gadgets during the test, which is strictly prohibited. At the same time, as you all know guys, Christ University entrance test does have negative marking. So for every correct answer you will get 1 point, and for every wrong answer you will get a minus 0.25. Any violation from the above mentioned guidelines, instructions, code of conduct will be marked as unsatisfactory, which will result in termination of the test and will be treated as malpractice or misconduct. If that happens, no matter how good you do your interview or micro presentation or skill assessment, you will be rejected from Christ University straight away, and they will not even tell you that they caught you cheating. They will just directly reject you. Entrance test duration is going to be 90 minutes, which means that you approximately have 45 seconds per question. Managing the time on the entrance test is one of the key issues and key problems that a lot of people last year and I mean ever since they've been facing. So whenever you're preparing, please keep timer in your mind all the time. Entrance test timings will be specified in the admit card issued 2 or 3 days prior to your scheduled selection process date. All of these details you will get on your dashboard wherever you filled in the application form. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. I hope that each and every doubt that you all had about the entrance test of Christ University is now clear. Like I said, guys, if you're confused about which course you should apply, which career will be the right choice for you, where do you have the maximum potential of doing well, please see me for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session. Along with that, there is interview preparation 101 and decoding micro presentation session. These are personal sessions which will be of tremendous help for you all. At the same time, I am conducting webinars for skill assessment to enhance your writing ability. So please check the link in the description below for each and everything and book me as soon as possible for your personal sessions. I'll see you all with another video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.